Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to withdraw money in Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to myshopify.com. Make sure you have logged into your account as well. Once on your browser, the first step is to click on Settings, the one in the lower left with the gear icon. Now a window will pop up. Once you are in the settings window, this time click on Billing. It has a dollar icon in it, so it's not hard to miss. Once you're here, wait for the website to finish loading. Over at Billing, the first step is to click on the button that says Add Payment Method. In here, you will choose whatever payment method you want to use. In this case, we're going to be choosing PayPal. Now just tap on the PayPal button this time. Once done clicking the button, all you have to do right now is close the pop-up. Close settings as well. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.